this tip is for kids who bite their nails and what you can do to help stop or reduce nail biting. This is one video in a playlist, so please be sure to stay posted for new content alerts. You could do that by subscribing, which is free, and you can take a look through the playlist to see what suits your child. Now, in terms of one nice trick for blocking the nail to the mouth, and I usually recommend something like this, usually at bedtime or maybe driving in a car. You can use some type of a glove to be a direct block. So preferably a sensory-friendly glove, but this will directly block the nail from the mouth. So if you haven't tried the block trick with gloves, this might be worthwhile to explore, and you might want to just be using this at certain times, like during bedtime. So consider this idea and take a look through the playlist to see what makes the most sense for your child. Is it gonna be me?